Hi, this is Rockin' Robin. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple Christmas wreath using ornaments. You stay with us. Hi, this is Rockin' Robin. Welcome. Today I'm doing something a little bit different. Today I am going to make a wreath and I'm going to use all of this. Now, I don't know, I might end up using just this or one of these and some of these, but I'm going to use a little bit of everything. We're going to see exactly what I'm going to use. Now, if you want to make one, you can make one with us, or you can watch this video, and it was so easy to learn that you're going to want to go out, get your kids, and then make one together. It's very easy, it's very simple. Now, all you need is a hanger like this, some ornaments. I got a whole bunch of different kinds. Maybe I got a big ball here as well. Some cute little dangly things, a nice little bow, whatever it is you choose. You can get little houses, other types of ornaments, but it's easy to do if you just use these. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this and you're gonna cut it off around here, and then you're gonna bend it. Once you bend it, it's going to look like this. Now you need the two sides open. You're going to connect them at the end. But for now, what you're going to do is you are going to use them to put the ornaments. Now I will show you. We'll take a couple ornaments from here and a couple ornaments from there. You're just going to take the end and you're going to put it right through like that. Now let's see what different colors we want. We've got some reds, I got some purples, I got all kinds of different colors. I want to try a lot of different things. And some silvers. I want it to be a really colorful one. Let's see, I'll put some together and we'll see what it looks like. Very easy. Put it in through there. Go like that, make it go all the way down. You're going to need quite a few ornaments. Now let's go, let's look at some of these because I want the colors. I want the colors to be very mixed. Now try to get ones that are not breakable because you don't want them to fall off and break and then have a mess in your house. You want to get some that are easy to put on. This one doesn't seem as easy as I'd like. Some that have the holes and that you can put right through. So I'm going to make a few and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you what we have and where we're at. Now when you feel you've gotten to a certain point, you may want to put another ornament right here, maybe a bigger ornament, because these are going to go all the way around. This is going to be moved. These are going to go all the way around. See how pretty it looks? Now if you have bigger balls, this takes even less time. I've done one with big balls. I want to do smaller balls to see how they look. Let's continue. Now, I don't know if it's about halfway, but I'm ready to put the bigger ball here. And I think it will work when you put it in, and you can get it halfway down, and it will hang like that. It'll be much, much better looking than it is now. But you're gonna like it, I promise. Sometimes that happens, you just have to put it back in. Okay, so at some point you get it like this. Now you're gonna hook it like that. I got it the way I wanted to. This is what it looks like. Not bad. I mean, you can put some more ornaments on here. You can put some more ornaments on there. You can put some kind of cool decorations on the side. Each person likes to decorate it differently. I just wanted to show you the basics. So this is the basics, an easy way, and I'm sure you can do even a better one to make a Christmas wreath out of ornaments. This is Rockin' Robin. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, hit the bell, and give us a thumbs up.